Hi, I am PixelPia. Today we are returning to Descript. This first video will be a short one. Descript has just added a very useful function when it comes to inserting images in your videos. So let's move over to my computer and I will show you. Here we have an old video of mine where I talked about Canva and creating graphics. And here I said one of the things you need to do is work on your graphics. So I want an image here. And I go up to my media library, to images. And of course, I can search for a photo. I can search in illustration or on Unsplash. But the new thing is text to image. When you use text to image, it actually uses DALL-E. So creating graphic on a tablet. And let's see what comes up. Let's see graphics for social media on a tablet. We get 3 examples each time we use these functions. And this is exactly what I wanted. So I just double click that and then I can resize it. Or if I want to move myself, I can move the video in the background and make sure that it fits perfectly. Of course, you can still use all the other functions here in File. You can search for video, GIFs, images, and audio, music or sound effects. But today I just wanted to show you that you can now use the AI function, text to image, and it's using DALL-E. In my next video, I will continue talking about Descript, and next time we will take a look at how to create your own templates. And if that is something you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified. Bye!